Okay, so this one is the single cable machine. So gagawa tayo ng 5 variation, okay? So 2 variation for tricep, 2 variation for biceps, and then isa for our rear delts. Okay, so first, proceed muna tayo sa unang variation ng tricep. Okay, so meron tayo ditong rope attachment. Okay, so rope, ikabit natin siya dito sa cable, okay? And then, maglagay tayo ng weight na moderate lang na kaya natin siyang i-rep out, okay? Okay, so paano siya i-perform? Okay, so kunin natin yung rope, and then atras tayo, chest out, and then slight bend, and then lean forward na onte. Once na na-achieve nyo na yung position na to, tuck your elbows, and then push down yung rope. Ayan. And then squeeze nyo yung tricep. And then slow release, hanggang sa mag-touch yung bicep tsaka forearms, and then push down. Proceed naman tayo second variation ng tricep dito sa cable. Okay, so tanggalin natin yung rope attachment and then ikabit natin tong bar. Okay, once na nakabit na yung bar dito sa cable, okay, kunin natin yung bar ng overhand. Okay, so overhand, and then same pa rin sila ng position. So naka-slight bend ang tuhod, lean forward, chest out, tuck your elbows, and then same lang din ng movement. Okay, so push down. Start tayo sa taas, dikit yung biceps sa forearms, and then push, squeeze natin yung triceps. And then slow release, control lang, and then push. Okay, so second variation naman tayo ng machine. So, ang target naman natin is yung biceps. Okay? So, from the top, lagay natin yung cable sa baba. Ayan. Okay, so una natin perform na variation is yung bar na bicep curls. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng bar, lagay natin sa cable, then kunin natin, and then i-front natin yung arms natin, shoulders, naka-front din, chest out, and then, pull nyo lang, i-curl nyo lang hanggang sa magdikit yung bicep sa yung forearms. And then, slow release, naka-front ulit, and then curl. Okay, so yun yung first variation ng biceps dito sa single cable. Okay, so second variation naman tayo ng bicep. So ang gagamitin nating attachment is yung rope. Okay, so ang tawag natin dito is rope hammer curl dito sa cable. Okay, so lagyan natin yung attachment. Gaanan natin yung weight. So kailangan sa weight, moderate lang, yung kaya mo lang siya i-rep out. Okay, so ang paghawak sa rope, ganyan. And then same lang din na position. So, ang arms mo is nakaharap. Chest out, and then hammer curl. Yan. Again, hanggang sa magdikit lang din yung biceps at forearms bago ka mag-slow na release. Okay, so last variation na lang tayo ng single cable. Okay, so ang last variation natin is face pull. So, para siya sa rear delts. Okay? So, para siya kunin nyo yung rope, paganto yung placement ng kamay, then atras kayo. Chest out, and then itong center, kung makikita nyo yung center na to, is kailangan eye level siya. All throughout the repetition is eye level, okay? So, hilain nyo na yung cable, eye level, twist yung arm, and then stay na tong position na to. And then pull, again, eye level yung center, and then observe nyo na lang yung siko nyo is shoulder level siya. Always shoulder level. Kapag hindi yan shoulder level, mali na yung ginagawa mo. Okay? And then slow release, yan. All the way through. And then pull. Sagad. And then,